Step 1. Shut the day down on purpose. Not mentally, physically. At least 90 minutes before sleep. Stop heavy work, heated conversations, and mental battles. Science calls this cognitive off-ramping. Your brain needs a signal that the hunt is over. When you don't give that signal, stress hormones stay high, and even 8 hours of sleep won't restore you. Strong men don't collapse into bed. They close the day with intention. Step 2. Control light, control sleep. Your brain doesn't understand clocks. It understands light. Harsh lighting at night tells your nervous system, stay alert, stay on guard. So dim the room. Warm lights only. Low stimulation. Melatonin, the hormone of deep recovery, only rises in darkness. This isn't about comfort. It's biology. Dark nights create sharp mornings. Step 3. Clean your mind before you rest it. Most people don't lose sleep because they're lazy. They lose sleep because their mind is cluttered. So write. Not a journal, not poetry. Just 3 things. What happened today? What can wait? What matters tomorrow? Studies show that externalizing thoughts reduces nighttime anxiety and speeds up sleep onset. You're telling your brain, you don't have to hold this anymore. That's leadership over your own mind. Step 4. Use temperature to force recovery. A warm shower. Not for luxury, for neurochemistry. When your body warms up, then cools down, your brain receives a powerful sleep trigger. Core temperature drop equals deeper sleep cycles. Deeper cycles mean better memory, faster recovery, stronger emotional control. This is why soldiers, athletes, and high performers guard their night routines like territory. Because sleep isn't rest, it's repair. Step 5. Go to bed at the same time. No negotiation. Not when you're tired. When it's time. Your brain runs on rhythm. Consistency strengthens circadian alignment, which governs energy, hormones, focus, and mood. Late nights feel productive, but the debt always comes due. Discipline at night buys freedom during the day.